Hello folks, thank you for tuning into Mini Orange. We will be talking about the user provisioning and sync solution for Drupal. You can use the Mini Orange user provisioning and sync module to perform CRUD operations to and from your Drupal site. This video will guide you through the three possible ways to install the module. The first is installation using Composer, the second using Drush, and lastly using the Drupal UI. Let's start with the first method, installation using Composer. On your screen, you would be able to see a Composer command. The same command will be present in the description of the video as well for your easy reference. Open the command prompt and navigate to the base location of the Drupal site and type in the Composer command. It will take a few seconds and the module will be added to your Composer directory. The next step is to actually enable the module on your Drupal site. To do that, navigate to the Extend tab of the Drupal site and search for Mini Orange User Provisioning. Enable the checkbox and click on the Install button. And that's it. The Mini Orange User Provisioning and Sync module is now successfully installed on your site. Let's go over the second method, installation using Drush. The first step is to download the module using Composer. After that, you need to enable the module using Drush. And to wrap things up, rebuild the cache. Let me show you how it will look. Open the command prompt and navigate to the base location of the Drupal site and type in the Composer command. Now, navigate to the base location where Drush is installed on your Drupal site and type in the Drush command to enable the module. Lastly, to rebuild the cache, type the following command and hit enter. The module has been successfully enabled. Let's start with the last method, installation using Drupal UI. To begin with, download the module package from the link shown on the screen or from the video description below. Scroll down to the releases section and click on the desired version. Of course, we would recommend you to install the latest version. Download the zip or tar file as per your preference. Next, head over to your Drupal site and go to the Extend tab. Click on the Add New Module button. Once on this page, choose the downloaded module package and click Continue. Once this is done, click on the Enable Newly Added Modules link. In the text field, search for Mini Orange User Provisioning. Enable the checkbox and click on the Install button. Once the module is successfully enabled, you can configure the module by searching for it again and clicking on the Configure option. And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to install the module. If you want to know more about how to configure the module and the additional features, you can watch our other videos in the playlist. If you got something out of this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries or concerns, you can reach out to us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thanks for watching.